In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily lock your WhatsApp without installing any apps. So for the first step is that you're going to head over to WhatsApp. Once you're on WhatsApp, click on these three dots right over here. Once you do that, click on the settings button and scroll down and click on the privacy button. Once you're on the privacy button, scroll down and click on the app lock option. Then enable the app lock option. Once you do that, it's going to ask you to scan your fingerprint. So easily do that. And once you've done that, it's going to ask you how you want to automatically lock your WhatsApp, either immediately, after a minute, or after 30 minutes. But I recommend immediately. So once you've done that, as you can see, your WhatsApp has been successfully locked. You can go back and you can then exit WhatsApp. Try to go to WhatsApp again, and it's going to ask you for your fingerprint. So if you insert your fingerprint, it will easily unlock. So that's how you can easily lock your WhatsApp without installing any apps at all. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to share this video.